Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
2017 లో వచ్చిన మనకి 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటే the first question, if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 3. So secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 3. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. So because secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Then find cos theta. Given 4 options, the first option is 3 by 4, second option is 3 by 5, third option is 2 by 5, and third option is 2 by 3, and fourth option is 2 by 5. So adding about 2 equations, secant theta into secant theta, 2 secant theta. So plus tan theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 secant theta is equal to 10 by 3. So because the LCM of 3 and 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 3. Finally, secant theta is equal to 10 by 6 is equal to 10 by 6 is equal to 5 by 3. We know that cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, that is equal to 1 by 5 by 3 is equal to 3 by 5. So 3 by 5, the second option is correct answer. So because cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. And the another question in 2017 from trigonometry is sin power 6a plus cos power 6a plus 3 into sin square a into cos square a, 3 into sin square a into cos square a. So LHS is equal to sin 6 power a means sin square a whole cube plus cos 6 power a means cos square a whole power 3 plus 3 into sin square a into cos square a, 3 into sin square a into cos square a, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square a plus cos square a, that is equal to, so a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So a plus b whole cube, where a is equal to sin square a, b is equal to cos square a. So finally sin square a plus cos square a whole cube, sin square a plus cos square a whole cube, that is equal to sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Finally 1 cube is equal to 1. So the correct option is 1. So because sin 6 power a plus cos 6 power a plus 3 into sin square a into cos square a is equal to 1. So it's clear. And the another question, go to next question from trigonometry. Sin square 30 degrees comma sin square 45 degrees and sin 60 degrees are in sin square 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So sin square 30 degrees is equal to, so 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. And sin square 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square, means 1 by 2. And sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin square 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 square means 3 by 2 square means 4. 3 by 4 are in AP or GP or HP or AGP. Okay. So అర్థమెటిక్ ప్రోగ్రెస్ ఇన్ అంక శ్రేణి గుణ శ్రేణి లేదంటే అరాత్మక శ్రేణిలో ఉన్నాయా అని కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు. సీన్ ఏపీ ఆర్ జీపీ ఆర్ హెచ్పి. సో ఏపీ మీన్స్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ A2 minus A1 is equal to D, comma a3 minus a2 is equal to d. The difference is common in any two elements. A GP means the multiplication, the common ratio in two continuously elements. Two continuously elements means a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by a2. So check first to AP means a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. So a1 means 1 by 4, a2 means 1 by 2, a3 means 3 by 4. Substitute a2 minus a1, 1 by 2 minus first element, second element minus first element is equal to third element minus second element, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, LCM is 4. So 2 minus 1 is equal to LCM is 4. So 3 minus 2, 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 is common difference. So sin square 30 comma sin square 45 and sin 60 in AP. ఇవి గుణ శ్రేణిలో ఉంటాయని చెప్పి అంక శ్రేణిలో ఉంటాయని చెప్పి చెప్పొచ్చు అన్నమాట. ద ఫైనల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ 2017 is so sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then theta is equal to given options 0, 30, 45, 60. We know that, so sin 45 degrees into cos 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2. The correct option is 45 degrees. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. To 2016 questions. 2016 లో మనం trigonometry నుండి ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ని డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. The first question is, if cos A is equal to 12 by 13, then sin A. We know that very simple. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So cos square A, sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So sin A is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square A, that is equal to 1 minus cos A is equal to 12 by 13. So cos square A is equal to 144 by 169. The LCM is 169 minus 144 by 169 is equal to, so 25 by 169, square root of 25 by 169. Square root of 25 means 5, so 5 by 13. The correct answer is 1. And go to second question in 2016 from trigonometry. Is, so sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. Now that sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 minus cosecant 60 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. So by cot 45 degrees is equal to 1 plus cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 minus secant 30 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3, that is equal to 1. So because numerator and denominator are equal, so the correct option is 2. And another question in 2016 లో మనకి ఇచ్చిన the third question in 2016 from trigonometry is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 16 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, then a is equal to options 6 degrees, 18 degrees, 36 degrees, 54 degrees. So tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Already we discussed. So tan 90 minus a is equal to cot a. Tan 90 minus a is equal to cot a. So tan 2a is equal to tan 90 minus of a minus 18 degrees. A minus 18 degrees is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, because tan 90 minus a is equal to cot a. So tan 90 minus of a minus 18 degrees is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. 2a and 90 minus of a minus 18 degrees, both are acute angle. So 2a is equal to 90 minus into 90 minus of a minus 18 degrees. So 2a is equal to 90 minus a minus of minus plus 18 degrees. So 3a is equal to 108 degrees. A is equal to 36 degrees, because 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, remaining 1. So 3 6s are 18. So A is equal to 36 degrees. The correct option is third. And the final question in 2016 from trigonometry is tan 30 degrees, tan 45 degrees, tan 60 degrees are in AP or GP or HP or none. So AP means arithmetical progression, GP means geometrical progression, HP means హరాత్మకల్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. ఇవి అంక శ్రేణిలో ఉన్నాయా, గుణ శ్రేణిలో ఉన్నాయా, హరాత్మక శ్రేణిలో ఉన్నాయా కనుక్కోమని చెప్పి అంటున్నాడు. సో నౌ దట్ tan 30 degrees is equal to so sin 30 by cos 30 1/2 by root 3/2 means 1/√3. tan 30 degrees is equal to 1/√3, and tan 45 degrees is equal to 1, and tan 60 degrees is equal to √3. tan 60 degrees is equal to √3. tan 60 degrees is equal to √3. So AP means the common difference of any two elements means A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to D. This is AP. And GP means common ratio A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2 is equal to R. So HP means 1 by AP. So check first AP and GP. A2 minus A1. A1 is equal to 1/√3. Let A1 is equal to 1/√3. A2 is equal to 1 and A3 is equal to √3. So substitute A2 minus A1 means 1 minus 1/√3 is equal to A3 means √3 minus A1 means 1. So finally √3 minus 1/√3 is equal to √3 minus both are not equal. So the elements tan 30 degrees tan 45 degrees tan 60 degrees not in AP. So check. Okay. So the check second option means are GP or not. A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2 is equal to R. So A2 means 1 by 1/√3 is equal to √3 by 1. 1 by 1/√3 is equal to √3, and √3 by 1 is equal to √3. So A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A3 by A2 is equal to √3. So it is common ratio. So the correct option is GP. ఇవి మనకి 2016లో ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్. మనకి 4 or 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. నేను మ్యాక్సిమం 2019 తప్ప మిగతా అన్ని పేపర్లోని 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది అన్నమాట. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this